Hey boos, I'm back again and I am ready to slay these boho braids. Disclaimer, I was remodeling my master bedroom, so don't be looking at the back. It looks a mess. Just look at what we're doing. I'm using products from my hair care line, Healthy MF Hair. I've already shampooed, deep conditioned, and I did a light blow dry on low heat. And I'm using my moisture cream, which is a all-purpose styler for twist out, braid outs, and wash and go. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I started in the back with a medium-sized section. I just wanted to see if I was going to like it. So the parts are not that straight in the back. I wanted to see if I was going to like it first. So I used a little bit of my moisture cream. It is water-based, so I knew that it was going to curl right up and I didn't have to worry about that. And it is the only product that I'm using. So when you're doing the boho braids on your natural hair, you're going to start braiding tightly at the root, start braiding, and leave out a little piece of hair to give it that boho look. Normally when you're doing the boho braids on your natural hair, you want to leave more than just one piece out, but in the back I just chose to do one piece to see how I would like it. And then as I got up closer to the top of my hair, I took out two pieces. Again, don't mind the background because at the end it's going to look way better. But anyway, yes, y'all see how much moisture cream I'm using for just this one braid, and it curls right up. So in the back again, I'm going to get this a little closer that y'all can see what I'm doing, but I'm just braiding how I would just do like a regular free-handed braid, and I'm going to leave a little bit out. You can leave it up, towards the top or towards the end. I kind of chose to do mine in the middle area because I wanted my braids to be a little flatter. And I didn't put the piece in my mouth how some other beautiful YouTube ladies do. I just wanted to leave it out and not put it in my mouth because I did not want the product in my mouth. But yeah, I'm just braiding it all the way, a little bit towards the end, but I'm leaving a little bit out so I can have that curl effect also. I don't know what was going on with me that day. We had a lot of stuff going on, and I was like, you know what? I don't want to suppress my hair. I have not suppressed my hair since that last video that went viral on my page, if you want to go check that out. But I was like, I want to do something different. I'm going to try the boho braids on natural hair. And I know I'm late to the party, but I was like, let me just see how it looks on me. And I was really surprised at how fast I was getting this done. I turned on my music. I was just vibing. The kids was at school. So this was really a therapeutic time for me. And I also want to say they don't have to be super tight at the root. Like, don't make it like to the point where your head is tender, because you're going to want to pull these up and wear these in a different way, wear it up and down and half up and half down, or maybe even two ponytails. So it was tight enough that my hair was flat at the root, but not, hurting me. And I know y'all see how the curls is just curling, it's bouncing back. I know some of you may be wondering like, okay, why didn't you just leave it wet? I wanted more volume and I wanted more length. So that's why I chose to do it on slightly stretched, blown, dried hair. Also because I knew that my moisture cream was water-based and I would get that back into my hair. So I wouldn't have to worry about my hair drying out or looking dull or looking, crazy, because my product is water-based. I also did leave some of my edges out. I didn't want it really tight again because say if I wanted to do, like some little edges, some little swirly edges, or, like the girls be doing. So I left my edges out so that I could have a choice whether to wear them straight back or, add a little bit more flair to my look. As I started to go at the top, I started to leave out more than just one piece as I was braiding and doing the boho braids so that I could have more curl at the top. By this time, I was in a rush because the guy that was coming to put my fireplace up in my room was on the way. So I was like, let me try to hurry up. But yeah, the parts aren't super straight, but you really couldn't tell unless you was in my head, which you should not have been. So there you go. This was my hair right after I was finished. I loved the look. And this was a few days after I had did my boho braids. I was going out. It was Cinco de Mayo. I had to turn up. But they looked very good. I love to wear them up. I love to wear them down. It was versatile. I just really enjoyed the boho braids. I would say this is a style that you wear in between your silk presses, or if you say, you know what, I don't really want to do a twist out or braid out, let me try the boho braid. So this option is for you if you are that girl that wants to try something different. I loved it. I got so many compliments on it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on all my platforms, and shop my products on Amazon Prime. Peace.